Oh, God, that was such horrible timing. I was literally just getting ready to pull out. There goes this little guy. I passed him a few minutes ago on top of the mountain. On top of the other mountain. He's having fun today, too. Doing all three of the mountains. I'm going to start making my way that way. But I'm going to do it in a slow fashion. Cherokee Wildlife Management Area, part of the Cherokee National Forest. Kirby Road, next 3 miles. So it's time to go. So let's go. Oh, I love riding beside these rock walls. You're rolling the throttle, it just sounds like because there's definitely something to be said for loving the way your motorcycle sounds. And if you don't love the buttery smoothness of a Triumph inline 3-cylinder, I don't know what's wrong with you, because they are an amazing sounding motorcycle. No way that we were not going to catch up with this car. I should have waited there another minute or two, but here's what it is. I'm not going to complain. This gives me a moment to talk about the geology of the area. As you can see to my right, there is some. Oh, I wish I hadn't caught up with him right here. This would have been so much fun to go blasting through here. Just there's the death bars. I don't know what those are there for, but that would be a bad place to crash into those things. That'd suck.